Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from previous sunset question paper. The question is, if the find the solution of differential equation e power y minus x dy equal to e power x minus e power y dx. Okay, here e power y minus x can be written as e power y by e power x using this exponent's formula. So e power y by e power x dy equals to e power x minus e power y dx. Okay, so if you what you can do here, e power y dy equal to e power x into e power x minus e power y into dx. This dx comes down, so at last you will get e power y into dy by dx equal to e power x into e power x minus e power y. Actually, we have a format of equation for which we can find the integrating factor, so that you can multiply that equation with that integration factor. So that is like this. In this way, if you have the form of equation, then you can find the integrating factor using this, right? So after calculating this is the last form of equation you will get after multiplying this integrating factor. Okay, so I want to convert the given solution equation to in this form. So what I did is, e power by dy by dx equals to e power x into e power x minus e power x into e power y. Okay, so this I brought to the left hand side and becomes plus, which is equals to e power x into e power x. In this equation you are having in this way. So here p is nothing but the term which is in x terms, so p e power x, and q equals to the e power x into e power x. So integrating factor, what you will get, e power integral p dx. P is e power x, so e integral e power x dx equals to integral of e power x dx is always e power x again. So integrating factor is e into e power x. Okay, and if you take this form of equation format, y means nothing but e power y here. Okay, and e power integral p dx, what we got, e power x equal to integral e power x into e power x into e power integral p dx, that is e power x dx plus c. Okay, first I took e power x equals to u, and if you derivate this you will get again e power x. So e power x dx equals to du. So e power x is u, e power x dx is du, and this becomes e power u. If you integrate that, you will get at last, what you will get at last, e power y into e power x equals to u e power u minus e power u plus c. Substitute the u